What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today it's another awesome day because we got our SUB250 box in for April. If you don't know or you know what these are FPV Crate boxes geared more towards the 250 grams and under quads, like a 3-inch quad, 2-inch quad, or whatnot. And yeah, so they get you parts every month. You can go ahead and build one if you collect all the parts every month, or you can go ahead and just use it as spares if you are crashing a lot or just need some spare parts to build something. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this month's box. Hope you don't hear my dog barking back there. All right. So looks like we have a Get FPV, get $10 off on DIY drone kits using the code FPV Crate DIY. So those are the kits that you can buy on the FPV Crate store that you build yourself, and you get yourself a nice little quad. Excellent to learn on if you're a beginner and maybe purchase wanting not to have everything. You have to source all your stuff all in different areas. Just have a kit all together, just build it, and pretty much it is as advertised. So next thing we got is the FPV Explorer stickers, and then our little thank you letter from FPV Crate. Pretty cool. I like these like sci-fi stickers. They're kind of cool. And looks like we got some bi-blade props. We got 3 of those. They are HQ durable prop T4x2.5 gray, and they're bi-blade. All right, and it looks like for our item we got is a QAVS Mini. Okay, pretty cool. Let me move this over. What size is it? QAVS Mini. Take a look and open it up. Let me look it over here. So it's a 4-inch frame. Okay. I thought we'd be building a 3-inch because I thought we were going to be building like a Cinewhoop or something with the Cinewhoop props we've been getting every month. Kind of weird, but okay. Actually, I need to see exactly how many parts I have to see if I can build something else with all the parts. I'll take a look here in a minute off camera. So before I start building this frame here, I did check my previous boxes, and spoiler warning, shut it off if you do not want to know what next month's box is. It's probably going to be an ESC because that's the only thing we're missing from all the previous boxes this go around. So next month I'll probably be building one of these FPV Crate 4-inch quads. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and build this. I'm going to be speeding it up a little bit just to save time on the video. But I do appreciate you watching, and subscribe. Check out my links down below if you want to know more about FPV Crate or pick up one of their boxes.